The problem that we have here now is from June 2017, it is question 1918, paper 3, Edexcel specification. It is a geometry problem. You have a circle. We have 3 points on a circle, and the point D is such that DA and DC are tangents to the circle. It is given that DO is 9 and the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. What the problem asks is the length of the arc A, B, C. Now, you can stop the video, try to solve the problem, figure it out yourself, and then turn it on again and compare to my solution. Let's see my solution to this problem. First of all, we are taking a look at the triangle AOD. That triangle has the sides OA and OD known. One is 5 and one is 9. And we also know that the angle in A, it's a right angle, yes. So therefore, triangle is right angle triangle. Now, why is so? Well, we have a theorem that tells us that always the tangent to a circle and the radius at the point of tangency are perpendicular, so that angle is 90-degree angle. Now, we can find one of the angles AOD or COD because they are equal. So we can find all this angle, the whole thing. And that angle, so we'll take one of the triangle to find. And in that AOD, I focus on that. And that angle, apply the cosine ratio. Cosine is the adjacent side over hypotenuse. So it's 5/9. From there, we can find using calculator how much is AOD. It's cosine minus 1 of 5/9. The whole angle AOC is twice that much. So it's 2 times AOD. So it's 2 times cosine minus 1, 5/9. Now we can find the length of arc AC and then take away from the length of the whole circle. Arc ABC, it's the length of the circle, circumference of the circle, which is 2 times r times pi. That's the length of the circumference. minus the length of the arc AC. Now, the length of the arc AC, we know the formula. So for the length, the circumference of the circle is 5 times 2, 10 pi minus. For the arc AC, we have 10 pi. It's the length of the whole circle divided by 360 by the angle here, which is this. And then you use calculator. We put these numbers in our calculator, and what we get is 21.5982 and so on. So from there, we have to take three significant figures. So we are going to take 2, 1, and 6. And this is three significant figures. So these are 21.6 centimeters. And that's your answer for 5 marks. That's it.